Hello sir, this is my explanation for the project assignment of Tutedude. So here we have our dummy example of the username, like user email and password. So what we will do, we will sign up first. Like we have already signed up, we will sign in now. So on sign in, we will have a separate page where all in the courseworks, where all the videos assigned to the particular user will be shown. It will come on the basis of the courses. All the videos in the courses which are assigned to a particular user will be shown over here. I have only one video over here just for demonstration purposes. So now let's take the demonstration for the important things that were mentioned and required in the assignment. So here, as you can see, here is my video, dummy video that I have uploaded just for the sake of using it. And as you can see, the progress is entire red. That means I had not seen this video even a single time. So I will start it from here. Okay, I have started. As you can see, as my video proceeds, the bar of this red starts decreasing. Now suppose I skip a time frame over here, then you can see that only the time frame that I am viewing will get green, otherwise it will stay red only, as you can see in the image. Now suppose I pause it, the video will stop being red, like it will not be added to the video part which is being seen. As you can see, only the green parts of the videos are seen yet, rest all are not seen right now. So now the second thing was that the video should start from where it was left. So suppose if I reload this page, as you can see, it was at 50 seconds, now also it is at 50 seconds. So the video is at the same point where it was left, and also the data of how much part of the video we have seen has persisted over despite of reloading, are all the things and data is same. So now I will just play it so that this entire portion becomes green. Now you can see it, this entire portion has become green of the end part, and this mid part is still not visited by us. So if someone skips the video, he will be flagged in this way. Now let's try to see this part of video so that our whole section of this video gets completed and we get a full green line. As you can see, as we are seeing the videos, the green line is increasing and the red line is decreasing. That means we are covering the length of the entire video. As you can see, we have seen the entire video in totality. Now I will reload this page. You can see still now it is showing that the entire video is being seen by us. That means our data is persisting. Now let us move how we have implemented this particular thing. So I will come to my user object. So this user object will have courses assigned. So every user will have a course ID. From the course ID, all the videos in the course which is assigned over here, you can see every course have videos. As you can see here, in every course there are videos. So all the from this courses, all the videos will be fetched and it will be stored in the user object. Now the user will have a array. As you can see, segments watched array hash. So we will use hashing. So what we will do is that we will take a particular video and divide it in length of 5 seconds. So suppose our video length was 60 seconds around, so we have 12 segments of 5 seconds. So whenever someone completes one particular segment, we will mark it 1. If someone skips one particular segment, we will keep it 0. As you can see here, all our segments were green. So here you can see everything is 1. So whatever thing or whatever video part will be left by the student, it will still remain 0, and in this way we can figure out that the student has whether skipped the video or not. So this is the hashing algorithm. Due to limited time, I could only implement the hashing algorithm, but I have suggested some other algorithms that can be used in this readme file of my project that I will be providing along with the GitHub link of the project. So the first approach is a very naive approach. It tells that how you can like take the intervals, then they take their intersection and then find out. It's a very naive approach. The second approach is of that of disjoint sets. So there is a data structure of disjoint sets in graph. It tells you all the disjoint sets that are there. So we can merge all the intervals using the disjoint set data structures. It will be the most optimal implementation, but due to lack of time, I couldn't implement this. Now the most optimal thing that we can achieve is that WebSocket plus this disjoint set. So why do we need WebSocket? As we know, our frontend will be calling the API backend every single second or every 5 seconds to tell that this much part is visited. So there will be a lot number of HTTP calls and it will put a huge load on our backend server. So we can use socket to improve it. Now suppose there are thousands of users that you have, and from everyone you are getting the data that this is being updated, they have seen this part of video and all. So if you will keep calling the database for every 5 seconds of for every user, and that too when you have multiple users, then it will put a lot of load on database. So what we can do is we can use Redis. So what we will do is that we will store the data temporarily in Redis, and when it suffice or becomes of a sufficient amount, then we will transfer it to the database in a single call. This will remove the need of calling the database multiple times for small changes. So it will be a very efficient way to implement this if we will go to implement this in real life. That's all about my project. Hopefully I will be able to give you the deployed link, but I have my exams and it will take a lot of time for me to deploy this project over there. So if I'm not able to deploy this, please do consider this video as a proof of working. Thanks a lot.